Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is the collaborative task of training and placement. Ladies and gentlemen, in any college, wherever campus placement drives happen, it is taken care of by the training and placement department. The training and placement department of any institution, it looks for proper placement of its students in different professional colleges. Now, how they actually function? Ladies and gentlemen, the placement team of the college, they try to analyze that what types of courses are going on in the institution, and related to that, what are the industries in the market. Then these placement people, they try to have a close contact with corporate people, and they try to understand that what are their needs and requirements, and the courses that are running in the institution, whether these courses, the people graduating from these courses, they are actually required by the corporate people or not. And if required, then what is that appropriate place where specific kinds of graduates are required. So the training and placement team thoroughly analyzes this. The placement head visits different corporate sectors, meets different HRs and industry heads, and tries to understand that what are the requirements of those industries, what type of professionals they actually want, what qualities they want to have in their professionals. After analyzing all these things, after having a close contact with industry experts, the placement head decides that how to invite the corporate people within the college premises for campus placement drive, and these arrangements are made. The corporate people are requested to visit a specific college and conduct campus placement drives of different students with different qualification. And when the campus placement drive actually happens, there is a specific criteria for hiring the candidates from the college. The campus placement team, it thoroughly tells all the students before the actual date of the placement drive that what types of questions will be asked in that particular placement drive, and how the students should prepare themselves well so that they can qualify that campus placement drive. Now, what is the criteria for this? The industry experts who are visiting the college campus for the placement drive, they tell in advance the placement team that this is the criteria on the basis of which we are going to hire the candidates, and these are the few questions that we will ask. This will be the hiring criteria for the candidates. And what is that hiring criteria? The written technical test, the aptitude test, the reasoning test, the English test, the group discussion test, the presentation test. So these are different types of tests which these corporate people take, and depending on the score which the students get in these tests, they hire the students. They hire the professionals from professional colleges. And when the corporate heads tell the placement team that yes, this will be our hiring criteria, these are the questions that we are going to ask, these are the things which your students must know. After that, the actual task of training starts. The actual task of training starts. If the corporate people are saying that we want candidates who must be good in reasoning, who must be good in aptitude, then we have different aptitude trainers. We have reasoning trainers for that in the training team, which specifically concentrate on all the subjects which are demanded by the corporate people. We have reasoning experts, we have aptitude experts, we have English language experts, we have corporate culture experts, we have team building experts, we have personality development and grooming experts. So this is the whole big team of training department. And depending upon the needs and requirements of the corporate people, all sorts of trainings are conducted of the students who are going to participate in a specific placement drive. So it's a combined effort, it's a collaborative effort, ladies and gentlemen. Training team individually is nothing without placement team, and placement team individually is nothing without training. Training and placement, ladies and gentlemen, it's a combined department. Individually, they are working according to their own capacity to fulfill the needs and requirements of the institution, but it's a collective aim, it's a collective goal in the direction of providing right kind of placements to the deserving candidates of the college, to the deserving students of the college. As soon as the department discloses that what types of requirement it has related to the candidates that it will hire, the task immediately starts. Having close contact with industry people, trying to understand what they actually require, and then handing over the candidates to the training team to groom them well according to the exact needs and requirements of the corporate people. This is the collaborative task of training and placement team of any institution, ladies and gentlemen. So individually, I would like to say it again, individually both these teams have their own separate task. The specific task of the placement part is being in close contact with corporate people and inviting them to the institution properly for the campus placement drive. And when all these things are done, when the contact with industry people is over, now the task is handed over to the training team, and the training team is asked to groom the students according to the needs and requirements of the corporate people. What type of candidates they actually require, what qualities they are looking for in the candidates that they will hire in the institution. They should be good in spoken English. They should be good in aptitude. They should be good in reasoning. They should be good in logical behavior. They should be good in dressing sense. All these are the professional qualities of a professional who is going to hit the corporate sector. These are basically the qualities of a corporate professional. And if we want our students to get good jobs, we must groom them according to the corporate personality domain. According to the corporate personality domain, ladies and gentlemen. So these are the crucial criteria on which placement people work, on which training people work, to groom a student in a proper way according to the exact needs and requirements of corporate sector. Before hitting the corporate sector, before hitting the place where you will be working as a professional in future, you must try to develop the qualities in your personality which makes you eligible to be the part of a particular corporate environment. You must groom your personality, and that personality grooming part is done by a collaborative act of training and placement department. That's why please don't keep this misconception in your mind that these two departments are different in any way. They are together, they are one, and they work collectively for the common good of the candidates, for the common good of the students of the institution. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.